Hey YouTube, here's a new toy, which is the Hyper Alien Vilgax from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. And then so here we have Vilgax, right here from the original Ben 10 series. Big muscular arms with all these like spikes sticking out, and we have on the back we see Hyper Alien Hybrid and Vilgax there, and we see the December wave of Ben 10 Alien Ultimate Alien 4-inch collection. We see Ultimate Echo Echo, Ultimate Cannibal, and NRG. And from the second wave here and the third wave here. So here is Vilgax. So let's just stick him out now. So Vilgax is a pretty tall figure, if you say. Here he is, and he is pretty tall, and here he is next to a 4-inch collection figure, NRG, and he's pretty big, and he has all these spikes and muscles coming here, and here he is next to Ultimate Echo Echo. So he's pretty tall, about 8 to 7 inches, and he has articulation in the arms right here, and he has articulation in the leg. So the figure stands pretty well. It's not really posable. It's a big figure, and you see his breathing mask and his squid head and everything there. Very detailed with his big muscular arms of evil, and it's a pretty tall figure and costs about around $9 to $10. I also seen the hybrid Hyper Alien, and so that's a good look at the Hyper Alien Vilgax. Stand by for new reviews.